Meaning of headword.
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 Headword. A headword is the word that appears at the top of a page in a dictionary, usually in bold typeface, which is used to indicate the word being defined and its various inflections. Headwords are important because they allow readers to quickly find the word they are looking for and provide a reference point for the definitions and examples that follow. In addition, headwords often include information about the part of speech, pronunciation, and origin of the word. Overall, headwords serve as a way to organize and locate words within a dictionary and facilitate efficient communication and comprehension.